Paul Merson would be shocked if Arsenal did not appoint Brendan Rodgers as Arsene Wenger's replacement. Wenger, 68, is widely expected to leave the Emirates this summer after spending over 2 decades in charge of the Gunners. Arsenal failed to qualify for the Champions League last year and will also finish outside of the top 4 this season, having slipped 12 points below Liverpool in 4th. The North London outfit also suffered an emphatic defeat to Manchester City in the Carabao Cup final at the end of last month, although they could still save their campaign in the Europa League. A number of names have been raised as potential replacements for Wenger, but Merson believes Celtic boss Rodgers is the standout choice. I don't know why he doesn't get the Arsenal job, Merson said of Rodgers on Sky Sports. He fits Arsenal great. To view this video, please enable JavaScript, and consider upgrading to a web browser that supports HTML5. Video is done nothing wrong at Celtic to do what they've done. People can say it's Scottish football and Celtic are head and shoulders above, but every team they played on that run treated it like a cup final, which is difficult sometimes, especially when you're Celtic and know you're better than everybody else. I think Rodgers, now needs a change and needs to come back down. I'll be shocked if he didn't get a good job. I'd be quite shocked if he didn't get the Arsenal job. Since taking over at Celtic in 2016, former Liverpool boss Rodgers has won the Scottish Premiership and 3 cup trophies. The club are set to win another domestic title this season, and Rodgers said he is loving life in Scotland when asked about the links with Arsenal. Arsenal is a great club with a great manager, he said. People will look at it and see that I went to Liverpool. They were struggling for 5 seasons for Champions League football and I was able to get them back. When I came to Celtic, they hadn't been in the Champions League for 3 seasons and I got them back. So maybe people are thinking, okay, Arsenal have been out of the Champions League and that is maybe the equation for someone like myself. However, I'm loving my life up here. I'm not going to be here forever, but I'm living in a dream. Although dreams always come to an end at some point. I'm always relaxed about speculation and what